una dey careful. Man when he call his wife Ashago now, where he dey now? He dey one single mother now. He dey one single mother now. Because why? There's no way he can stay. You know if he stay. Lie. Yes, I know what I talk. Make una dey careful and make una work on yourself. Make una dey vigilant at all time. I do one video last time before I enter this live broadcast. I do one video. On no account, when you, as a single mother, on no account, when you go carry pikin, go visit man for the man house. It's bad. See, make I tell you. Oh my God. See, make I tell you this thing. If you carry pikin go my house, some men not get shame. They will give you doggy. The birth of your daughter, they will give you doggy. They will give you doggy for where your daughter dey. You don't know. Children learn fastly. They learn. Children, they learn wella. They learn wella. But people don't know this secret. For you to carry your children, go man house, children when you born for another man, you carry and go visit man, madam. No. You go put your pikin for another room, stressing an innocent child because of bola wey dey smell. Because of one boy when they wash, when don't know how to wash under. Go to stress your innocent child. Go to put her for passageway. Because you want to make the guy happy. Who dash you? Who send you market? Who send you message? Who send you message? We can stop all these things. For that same video, I still talk and say, no allow any man make he come visit your house until you know the man. You know the man at least 70%. Don't, as a single mother, no carry man. If you do it today, stop her. Stop her today. Because if your daughter they misbehave tomorrow, no cry, no shout. If your daughter they do the same tomorrow, don't shout and don't cry. That is your fault. That is your fault. I tell you this thing. Make I tell you. I tell you this way. I tell you so. I want to tell you from my own experience. I remember back in the days when una host was a boy. I remember when una host so was a boy. When I was a boy, I still remember. He get one woman. He get 8 children with 8 fathers. Who the underline? Who the underline? Who the underline now? With 8 children with different fathers. With different fathers. Among those 8 children, he get only 3 boys inside. The 5 na female. One of them happens to be my girlfriend those days. Upon how those children will misbehave, reach that more than enough they talk. Now therefore let this one tell now so. Now see I say everything I experience. Everything I experience. No matter what those children do, their mother be like Dundee. Their mom be like Dundee. Whether they do bad, they do good, they sleep outside, they carry my gun, anyhow they do their life, their mother not will bother talk. Because she don't leave a good legacy for those children. Those children they pick from her. What are you telling me? They pick from there. The mother cannot say anything. I don't want to make that thing happen to you. Don't try it. If you can't bring my house, your daughter see am. At the end of the day, e no come work out. That one don't come out. Love me will come tomorrow. E no come work out. Love me don't come out. Prince will come to next tomorrow. E no come work out. He will come out. Me also will come again. E no come work out. He will come out. You think you teach your children better thing? The answer is no. They do your relationship for distance first. Don't open it to your children. Why love me? Now you know. Why love me? Now you know. You not concern me. If I talk, you go carry police call. You understand? At the end of the day, when your daughter start questioning you as a mother, just know that you have failed. And what I'm saying. See, they will not tell you. They know you are their mother. They will not attack you directly. But they will be using words on you. Trying to look for your mouth. Trying to find one or two from you. Just know that what you are doing, they don't like it. You understand? But they don't know, they don't have this way to express themselves properly for you. So just know it for good. When they start questioning you, carry Adam, Paul, Peter to visit your house, your home. Please, your children need privacy. Your children first. If their father alive, you know that they are alive. That will not be anything. That will not be the issue now. If you want that alive, not be the issue. Not me say, maybe they play Kalo. No. No. They friend for distance. Anybody when really want to friend you, what you tell the person you will do? Okay, bro, as it be like this, for now, my children get what I run my package. Now, book one hotel when they close to my house here, or book one hotel when they my city here. Make that book that hotel. Book that hotel. When you book that hotel, make it dead there with your money. Oh, not be your money. If you go book hotel with your money, if you go book hotel with your money, my God, with your money. If your children go school, then you first go see them. But when you want to go see them, be careful. I tell them for this platform. That man, I never forgive her till today. For Austria. That man, he use women till they do blood money. He did Austria. He they use women till they do blood money for Austria. The man. He they use women till they do blood money. Now me talking, I get evidence. I get evidence against this man. I get evidence. Now women they use. God bless you, she's Vicky. You remember? I don't talk for her before. Go and ask Mommy Benny. I don't tell them before. Say where you know this, so you get one ritualist where they use women. If you go Nigeria, go they waste money, go they throw money. I say, see this one. Where I know your secrets. When they use women. Any woman with that man sleep with him, any woman with that man sleep with, that woman must buy. That must. Now must. Don't be everything when they see say, not be they be real. People don't go far. People don't give their life to Satan for a very long time. This man, they look out with one eye. He did Austria here. Now Igbo man. They Austria there. They look out. I know the secrets. They're my palm. Go Nigeria. Go to use our girls. Go to use our girls. Till they make money. We buy them. If you go to Nigeria, anything when you say me, you give them. Any money when you say me, you give them. May you give us a woman. It will give you any money. If you like transfer, make it buy you Tesla. Make it buy you Tesla. It will buy them for you. Just know see that Tesla when you buy for you. Now there, now your enemy they pass, they come out. Now there your enemy they pass, they come out. bye. Now rest in peace. You understand? This one I tell them, so this one be media talk. I don't talk for you before. I don't talk for you before. I don't talk for you before. I don't talk several times for here before. So that make I talk for that video and say, if you want to go anywhere, make sure say you tell one or two persons, say, see where you dey, see the hotel where you dey go. See person when you want to go meet for your own safety, because your children dey school. When you want to go see this person, what of you not going to return? What of your enemy not going to return back? Not going to return back. No trace. You understand? Sometimes, please, even sometimes, so put your children first. For everything when you do, your children first. You understand? This is why I know this man's secret. Not be yesterday, not be this year, not be last year, not be last 2 years, where I know this man's secret. How this matter they condemn our women. And if this man only they condemn the women, when you go they do open eye, if for not still today like that, this man, if they use those women, they destroy other innocent people. You understand? If they use those women to destroy other innocent people, people ask me, say, how? Make I tell you how. It get the one when the man do like when he come make me come say okay. Now when this girl go greet him for his side furniture, and the one you to get to do blood money, the blood money not work, it not work out. But they know say this girl will come expose these secrets. Okay, we can't expose this secret. They can't send the girl accident. And if not be this girl today, till today, nobody for know. And they send the girl accident. At the Orish Abudu, the motor your capside on your own. Driver, all the boss people, everybody know that motor, all of them they die. And only that girl that remain. Only that girl that is survivor. Only that same girl that is survivor. Driver, all the passenger, all the 18 passenger, all of the buy. All of the buy, no one remain. Only that girl is survivor. What does that tell you? Now that same girl they make us people like us, they talk about this man. If this man don't change, you don't want to carry this man, come on, will shock. Not from way no. Now that girl make people like us when they talk now say yes, this evidence they with us. You understand? Not let that girl survive the accident. We don't talk without evidence. So I get evidence of what I'm talking about. No, and something like this will happen. Make I not forget. And not how they do. I'll carry and go Facebook. I will put up for Facebook. I will private them. In case somebody tell me say, where the man prove it to us now. Make we really see where the evidence of this. I will just go Facebook, go cut and come out for Facebook where I put them, where I private them. Where I private and put, I'll go bring and come out. To make one know say this life, you don't deep. You don't deep tete. So come abroad, come they do buga for inside this thing. That the rest na blood money. Rubbish. If marriage not work for you, it not mean say not work for another person. Okay? Now only wisdom men fit they hold their marriage nowadays. Only wisdom men. Okay? If it don't work, what you will do, then take your bag and baggages, then leave. Then let the woman also go. I remember those days. Yeah? There's a language in my dialect that says, I don't want to use the language, but I want to use English talk. I'm not enough to understand. If they don't leave woman, they don't look the woman yash again. A very strong language, very strong parable for where I for come. If they don't leave woman, they don't look the woman yash again. A parable for our side. You don't let the woman yash again because you don't finish. You are a prostitute. I don't want people like you. You are a harlot. You are a this. You are a this. I regret the day I know you. Oh, God, collect your bride price. You know they collect. Who foolish pass? Who foolish pass? A harlot. A prostitute. But collect your bride price. You say no. Who they deceive? See, may I tell you, you know, people like us, we this smart. May I tell you, you don't need to tell me say I this smart. Okay? I have to tell myself say I this smart. May I tell you how? You know who first see me in the first place. Okay? You know who first see me in the first place. Okay? Come to tell me say they beat your wife or house. You know who first see me there. You understand? You know first see me there say maybe you want to convince me. May I call they use that kind of aggressive attitude for my wife. In the first place, you know first see me there. Or see me call they tell that word say that's why they beat your wife for us. You know first see me there. So not talk or say, not going to tell me say, want to deceive people. Say, my wife? No. My wife cannot try that. If you try that, I will send her back to her parents. I will send her back to her parents. I will not lie. Make una stop to deceive other men. This man was being brainwashed. Was being brainwashed by friends. If you want to live a family life, you see friends. Hold these friends from distance. Hold these friends from distance. You understand? Without that one, you don't feel your family. You don't feel your family. Hold them from distance. Most of these friends. Your wife to the complain self. Your wife to the complain. I even get wife for us. My wife don't they complain like that. You just your wife don't they complain. Your wife they complain. The day when you will reach here, it never reach here. It never reach here. That make you say no they complain. The day when we reach here, now you will not see your wife they complain. Women, I tell her that day for here. Women, their hearts. May I see tell how it be. When I know this apron. When our mothers they use that time, not be apron. You know what they call them? They call them Oza for our place. Now Oza, what did they put money that time for those days? Our mother, our grandmother. That's what women had bill. Women they tie that thing for heart. Oza, God bless you. She's Vicky. Oza. That's what women had bill. If you they do woman something, it would they put her inside there with the zipper. They put her inside there with the zipper. You now also you call the other say you they do doggy. You all they happy. You they do doggy. Your wife they happy. Now I don't be give me doggy. You they happy. Your wife they hang one leg for silly. You they happy. Say she not the best. Especially if you understand women, you will not say don't go until they take them. We don't read them. We can't even know the way to follow them. He will give you doggy. He will give you doggy. He will even call you for doggy by herself. If that was a fool, if they bring her come at one, twice, that will happen. That time, not be that time. Oh, woman don't know that time. Did they keep him? Did they keep him? When he don't fool, they'll come bring her come out. You will shock. I will beat yesterday. This is women they count all those things. Women they count all those things. You know, this is when you go to sleep with the toys, you see this one. You will praise yourself. You will praise yourself. The woman will insult you. See this one, what do they do also for mad? When I told one guy like that, one guy tell me say, I don't go meet this woman. Bro Austin, come see me for action. Come see me for action, bro Austin. Come see me for action. That woman, body tell that woman. Body tell her. I put her for here with the video. I they look at the laugh. Make if I talk first. Not one like this, how they look and they laugh. Body tell her, bro, Austin. Body tell her. As the author say, see this one, mumu. That woman, as you just come out, as you just come out, no be she even issue. She not even use her mouth to issue. Now her body not even issue. Not even issue. Say, see this one as well. You're they happy for nothing. Now her body not even issue come out. You don't know. I don't want to go deeper. I don't get too much time. I don't want to go deeper. You say you be a koga. Now lie. You know if you be a koga. If we may tell you secrets. If we may tell you secrets, you know, praise yourself again, say you do that thing well. You know, praise yourself. He was so happy. He was just happy. I say, oh God, don't go there. Oh. Don't go there. A lot of women, they pretend just to make us also feel say we be men. Go ask them, they will tell you. They pretend to make us feel say we be men. In case you don't know, they play. They play. To be a koga. Me, I so much like marriage when they work. Not that woman, I had to pray for that woman. I had to pray for that woman that day, yesterday. Next day, that woman contacted her and say, her husband, when they follow now, she say, I won't don't finish. Okay, get what I want to talk now. It will provoke a lot of people, but I know the person will really care. Mona power tap. Her ex-man will tell her, say, who will carry you with 3 children? Who will carry you with 4 children? Who will carry you with 2 children? Now lie. Oh, cannot think that, you know. Now lie. Make the carry. Make you know that one for good. Oh. Make the carry. Make the carry. I know that they talk. We don't want to expose ourselves. Make the carry. That woman yesterday, we talked for this platform yesterday. Man carry 2 children. And she's very happy. She's very, very happy in that relationship because the man they doing well with 2 children. And let's what they ask one career. Who tell you that one? They play. They play. Now your shadow, now your shadow, now cover her face. Okay? Now your shadow, now cover her face. Will make other men oversee her. Underline. As your shadow come up for her face. If you walk out from my street for here, you know how many men want call her? They play. They play. You know, say my shadow they cover with my body. Make I educate you a little bit. Now when they use una woman they play anyhow. Hold your marriage strong. If you're a good person, hold your marriage strong. If you don't see anybody, they follow man. Mona power tap or it don't start again. No, it don't work out. Let me do it again. Okay, nice, okay. Hold your marriage strong. No go follow all this. If you also say person, you're day useless. Now your friend before. Just cower. Just cower. Not that they tell you all those things. You don't destroy your home. You come and make your home still destroy. So many of us be. When we use our hand to destroy our home finish, we want to cause it destroy your own journal. So that maybe say me and you now call them the same lay. We go to carry women together for streets. You understand? If you don't know, say your shadow day, your woman, man don't use wife. Because people don't tell me man they use wife. Because people they think say na real wife. So if you don't know say your shadow day your woman body, if woman day with you for house, her steps for outside, it dey different. Oh, I know I go deeper. I know I go deeper. Her steps, her walking step for outside, it dey different. If your shadow don't come up for the woman body, her steps for outside, it's still different. Okay? Then the step of I am single. I am single step. Now you call the waka for outside. And men will know what's up. They know what that one mean. In case you don't know, you will just know all these things. No, you don't know where for they come. A step different though. Now make your shadow their body. You understand? If you waka for outside, then your shadow see their body. So that shadow where their body now, it will make the waka as a get man for house. Then I not get man for house. Is he get your step for outside? Now that step, now they attract men. When we know say okay, no, this one they single, make a tracker. They play. Not take your marriage serious. They play kalo with your marriage. No home work quarrel not there, but use wisdom, use brain. What do you do for inside your house? You know they speak for outside. Nobody be weak man. You know me see your wife don't they respect you. It will even make your wife love you more. Will make your wife respect you more. People don't understand these things. You say if you be good man out to your wife, then you call it disrespect you. Now what you know they think? Or some of them they think, not lie, not being you. It will make the woman know the value of you. That woman will do anything also to please you will be the husband. And so it be, my people. People carry friends that say, ah, you help your wife the wash plate. Me will call the wash plate. Person like me. I'll call the wash plate. You go to follow that kind of person they work out. That kind of person they work out. Anyway, we not get time. We not do well. And they go work. And they don't waste on the way for me since now sleep I did see so. No, say I go work last night. Sister Mimi call me pastor. Sister Mimi call me pastor. I'm a pastor. Some of these Europe men. Sister Mimi say I'm a pastor. Well, I do well. So may I go ready for work. So we don't be saying we call overtalk today. Time don't see call come out. So we not call film meet up again for working side. No sir, our holiday don't finish on the 31st. So from yesterday, we don't start our work back. So we are not quarrel. Anyhow we take come. If we not come the time we they expect, but sometimes we all come, we all tired, we all sleep. They don't mean say we know come. We must come. Understand? We must come. So the only thing you can do for me, if you like what I'm doing, not by force, not be force, so I'm not the force people for that. I don't use my own for media. Take this spoil other people own. No, I don't do that. You understand? So the only thing you can do for me, if you see my video, like them and repost them. Even so you don't even like them self, but just repost them. Best way you like them, best way you watch them from you. You will like them. Okay? If you like what I'm doing, no. If you don't like what I'm doing, as you see the video, waka pass them. Okay? Just waka pass them. No be problem. You understand? So that's how we roll. We don't use our own for other people's body. You understand? So we get what they do our own. So when I do well, my people, God bless you all. God bless your family. God bless your wife. And God bless your husband. It's not easy. Now, only smart men, now they feel they hold their marriage nowadays. Men when smart. You understand? So men when not smart, there's no way you can hold your marriage because you are not smart enough to understand how it works. Okay? So if you are a man, you want to understand the secrets, how to hold marriage. If they get problem with your wife all the time, feel free. Go to my inbox, hit me up. I will give you some logic. I'll give you some logic. You understand? You know what one woman tell me today? One woman tell me say, the husband tell her say, the other one I give her, now they use for the period when they take them together now again. Now the other one I give her, but not be say the woman deserve that kind that kind of style when me tell am, but in just dey use the idea when I tell am. Sometimes make we dey use brain now, please. You don't need to tell woman this thing. Me and you don't talk finish, you go to tell the woman. You make the woman provoke. That means you say maybe they pretend, you were pretending. Was it working or not? It worked for months. For some months now, it was working out. You know? But because you don't understand, something just happen, instead of you to still use the IQ, you say no, say because she not deserve her. The woman say, okay, now it don't end now, then they shut up her down. You know? No woman they carry problem, they come. You they carry peace, they meet her. Tell me how your home wanted destroy. Don't feel destroy. You understand? If the woman do it 2 times, now she will talk to herself, say, this man not be like this before. This man can't just change. This man, if I talk one that time, the man will talk 2. If I talk 1, the man will talk 3. If you do it 2 times, it will change. Women, they are known for this. Okay? They are known for this, to talk. You understand? But if we follow them like that, things will spoil. You understand? Things will spoil. They were created like that. You know? So when you follow them with that same manner, before you know, home don't scatter. So how me cut the spoil marriage now for here now? How me tell the spoil marriage here now? My own and make your marriage work for you. This is your feel spoil your marriage. Now when they cry say that they spoil your marriage, because you don't get sense, can you spoil my marriage? Ask yourself that question. Can you spoil my marriage? The answer is no. Because I get sense. I get sense. You don't feel spoil my marriage. How you got to believe say somebody from outside will feel spoil your marriage? How is that possible? It's like, yeah, I greet you. Good evening. How you got to believe say somebody will feel spoil your marriage? It's not like that. Because you were not smart enough to understand some certain things. Because you see, they use Africa style till they marry your wife. And that will be the problem, the issue when they inside between you and your marriage. If you apply 100% Africa system in Europe as a man inside your marriage, it will work out. It will work out. It will work. See, you ask yourself, if you go to social media, it's what they talk about women. Just look the faces of those people when they talk about women, this, women that. Okay, now, it's not the same women. All these guys, they go, they throw away. They are this thing when one block their brain. Not the same women. Tell me person when they throw away. When they throw away among those people. You see, I say life now wisdom. Life now wisdom. You will go there, they will go talk. You dey digest nonsense. Person will not feel whole girlfriend, I want a whole wife. Come on, girlfriend, not feel whole her. Now want whole wife. Come on, girlfriend. You not feel whole her. I don't say me you praise me, oh. Me I dey praise myself all the time, oh. I dealt with my woman since 2003. You will not say you come from my father's village. Then you know everything. You can bear me weakness. You understand? People when come from my place, they fool this platform where. If you are the lie, then may they come out for any media. May they say, I lie talk, may they fall out. I know 2003. Now they struggle ourselves. They come. Because about 2003 till now, you know I will don't grow rich. I will don't big rich. So that's to tell you, say, if I dey talk like this, I have something to offer to you. I have something to offer to you. Everything will be about violence. No, you know people don't come this platform when they first get this violent spirit. When they come, God bless you, benefit boy. When they come this platform, Because he say everything is not all about violence. It's not all about violence. You understand? When you calm down, you look the kind of life where you want to build with your family. You look the kind of life where you want to build with your family. And you know a man will be say you want to stay with your children. You like to stay with your children. You like to stay with your wife. Then you calculate again. You calculate yourself again. Say, if I say me I follow this woman like this, the way this woman they do, this will spoil. But no me say you dey fear the woman, oh. You don't say they fear the woman, oh. You don't say the woman call they ride on you. Don't go listen to what these guys they talk. People did this life, they don't call this life come marry. They call this life call you the chuku. Now they your comfort. Finish. No other thing. No go meditate yourself with those kind of people. Because you want create family. You want create family. You understand? For marriage problem they marriage where the day you enter marriage, and that the problem they enter your life. You understand? But the ability for you, okay, to digest everything when they come, any bullet when they come, because you are the man, you have to protect your family, not be the woman. Now they take brainwash us for Africa. So now the woman, say that the woman they responsible to protect family or to whole family. Now I make many of you now who know the work because you live out for woman. No, see, I talk time to time. My wife not hold this marriage. Oh. My wife cannot hold this marriage. It's not possible. She cannot. You know, she cannot. I be lying. I just want to hold this kind of marriage. She no go fit. If she try am, if you try am, say me just say okay, make I see. Under 1 week, now we hear stories. Now me dey hold my marriage by myself. I own to support the marriage. If you think say this media, it dey disturb my marriage, na lie. Make I shock you. Some of our members when they call me, they know. Now maybe they see me like this, or you see me for street, for my house, I did totally different. I take care of my kids, take care of my wife, take care of my family, protect my family. I protect my family by all means. This one is just media life, media lifestyle. It did different from my ordinary life for inside house. I go where they go. If I finish with Nana, I wear clothes, I go work. Tomorrow morning I do inside house. You understand? Life, marriage now wisdom. If you get sense, you will see say marriage they work. I mean they tell you marriage they work. I don't want to talk to the women because I don't want to talk to women because me I know the way women they do their own lifestyle. Me I know. Now make I direct that to the men, to my fellow men. We want to live whole marriage. Marriage good. Marriage they work. They work. As they see your children, they see your daughters. They see your daughter, they see your son. They will run up and down. They will shout. Then they come, you don't see them, give me the shout for your ear. Before you know, they don't come out. Don't come for your house. Come remain you and that woman. All those men, all those guys who say you want to compare with, who say they talk all those kind of people, old age they suffer well. They suffer how they meet them. They go meet woman where be say he's strong past them for spirits. You understand? As they old, they go carry one small girl, and that small girl now will be one, will be a boy. You don't know. Something like the one you know when a guy that just come, now come all together. You understand? Now come all together. Because you get small chain, or you carry small girl. That small girl will lock you for inside house. Will lock you for inside house. Then the next room, another person will come that next room. Will you give her doggy? Then she will shout me you dey hear. You don't get choice. You don't get choice. You will only cry before you know you don't get BP. You don't get BP. You don't get BP. Understand? Life now wisdom. Once you say me they talk like that, they talk like this, I not there against you. Will be my gender. Because some people when be say they don't get brain, they mislead you and say me are there against my fellow men. How can I be against you? I say me your marriage work out. When I want to hold a marriage, I get respect for now. 100%. God will bless you now. All those my genders. Go carry small girl now because you want. Well, I just see one boy talk. I say see mugu. When I see mugu. Now you block out your way. I know bad energy. I don't need that. I block her. Forget it. You say my wife go make it go. Make it go. Everybody get internet to talk now. Make it go. When time come, I go marry small girl. I go and take small girl. Go take small girl, may you see. Go take small girl. Go and take small girl. That time, body will tell you that time. See, it's hard time. You build yourself with a woman. One gather all together. I know what I'm saying. Many of you now will suffer this thing. I not join no. Because I don't tell you for this media and I say, I know my wife since 2003. Now they suffer, they come. How this kind of woman wants to maltreat me tomorrow? How I want to maltreat me tomorrow? You know if you maltreat me, oh. You understand? You know if you maltreat me tomorrow. Because why? We don't know ourselves for long. Why you say me they feel they do media like this? Because you know my kind of person. As women food is the picture. But she know, say I not be man when they food, when feed go fool self. You understand? You know, say I don't feel go fool myself. Say I can't go marry. But I look the boy for me. I said, this small boy. They play with your life. When you were old, may I tell you, when you were old, go carry a marker. Go carry a marker. Hey, what a marker will do you? What a marker will do you? Amaka did the next room, they take doggy for the next room. Amaka they take doggy for the next room. Amaka they take doggy. Doggy is going on for the next room. Who lost? Now you lost. Okay, this is as your bola combina. As your bola combina. Amaka, you want to manage your bola. They play. They play. They play. The greatest favor Amaka can do to you is to lock you inside the house and lock with key. Collect your phone. Collect your phone away from you. He will take your phone. Oh. Take your phone. Carry biscuits. Put for table for you. Put biscuits on table for you. Because you know say your time don't they go. Make your enemy your delete. Now evil they say make it delete. Now it day. Life na sense. Life that brain. Now remember, one man like that, he talk this thing. Maka will control one small boy. One small boy will control him. One Calabar boy will control him. When it be like form of very dark man, when Mozo you make big. When Mozo make big, he will control and come. He will control and come. You what they hear for his house. You what they hear for his house. Your own wife Amaka they cry for the next room. You what they shout, Amaka, Amaka. Jesus baby Amaka they cry. Amaka a doggy. Amaka they take doggy. They play. I never understand what they pull their hand. I never understand. When I come here they preach. I don't want to understand. Oh God. I don't want to understand. Build your life now. No wait for all these people when they talk. All these people they don't get to the one fire you. Now you have to go preach nonsense for your ear. Now you want your ear. When they tell you say women are this, women are that. Think you will not know how to cook now. You will not know how to cook. You never enter kitchen before for your life. Then at old age you want to enter kitchen. Who want cook for you? Who want cook for you? Pensioner when you they receive, you know even you should eat food. You know you should do anything. You want the other food? Just says no. Do you know how it is when you want to go outside? your wife hold your hand for here, when they waka dey go. As at that time, whether they sweet your wife or you know they sweet you now, at least your wife will carry your bola till they play. Now see good thing, my brother. Now see good thing. If the only play, if you play with her, make they play with her. Nobody be on that 18 here. Okay, nobody be on that 18 here. If the only place if you play with her, make sure they play with her. At least now don't hold together. Now don't hold together. You understand? Where the thing they function like before, she will still understand. Say, now this not be so it be before. As now they come, you now big. But more you they big, more it they reduce. More it they reduce. You understand? We make una know all those things. You know what I mean? So look for a woman where be say una wan gonna enter old age. Very, very important. Very, very important. Marriage na tolerance. Okay? As a man, you have to be tolerated, but don't be say you go to call woman shower. That kind of thing, I not get for inside though. I not get for inside. Not go call woman shower. Call the crack tomorrow. You understand? The day when you call woman shower, and that day you lose respect. And that day, that same day, now you all lose respect. That same day, now you lose. See, if you call your wife Ashawo, your wife don't be. If you say that only my wife Atalala, your wife don't tell a lot of people. Your wife will never one day speak out to anybody about your relationship. You don't call people, they tell them. Because it's pain her, you know, will tell you. Una do well. Make I carry on call for just 5 minutes. Since now don't disturb my brain. Carry us call. I want go work. Una do well.
Oh, now today I understand Davido's song. I don't understand that before. Amaka disappoints you.
Good evening.
Amaka disappoints you. You get a confusion.
Good evening, my sister.
I love this program. I love it very well.
Good evening.
Wow. Thank you for the advice. You really give them because some
I'll stop here, but you dey pass me. You dey fast forward. Let me make I talk first.
Oh, sorry, my sister. Sorry.
Okay,
No, I don't want just wait because the thing they sweet me. Well. You understand?
Wait, I dey say now today I understand Davido's song.
Most of our men will not get sense. We need to talk today. Marriage na beautiful thing. Marriage is a beautiful thing. You understand? Now understanding na matter a lot for marriage. As bros talk, say he don't know his wife for 2013, abi 2013. 2003. Even me too. Since 2003, I've been with my husband. Okay. You understand me? Since 2003, I've been with my husband. Yeah, marriage, na understanding.
Okay.
Na understanding. Marriage is a beautiful thing. I mean, they talk. Marriage is sweet. Not be said bad boys, not the day at times so, but now they understand. Una need to understand una self. Una feel they sort things out. 2 years, no what they hear for outside. Say, see what they happen for your relationship.
Yes.
You understand me? But this marriage they come they see nowadays, I don't understand. You see, say person marry under 2 months they don't separate, under 1 year they don't separate. Why? They will come they use how they square people who we don't dey inside for so many years. We don't dey inside. Make we dey manage our una no one ready. Una we know so una no ready to stay. Make una go dey live that una life una like. We don't dey inside since we don't dey manage. We dey enjoy our marriage. Any I take day we don't dey inside. As bros talk say old age, you know old age they come. Where be say you need man, you need woman to stand by you.
Amaka.
If you can't divorce your husband or divorce your wife, but that old age, now those small boys, then you want to go meet her waiting. I don't understand though. So, bros, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this program. I enjoy.
Okay, so
thank you, my sister. You feel talk or I beg I pass to you. Thank you, sir.
You just match my tongue. My tongue just be answer. You just match him. Thank you.
So I beg. I really enjoy the
program.
The way bros just talk about marriage, Me, I like her. I love marriage. You understand me? I love marriage. That's why I just jump into say I want talk.
No, thank
Now
you
what
very
they
much. We
sweet me na
appreciate
be
your
this.
time. We
Thank you,
appreciate
Thank you,
your
sir.
time.
Thank
Osofo. We
you.
just borrow
Thank
the
you.
time before us go give us 2 minutes. Host. Now today I understand that song. Oh. Amaka disappoints me. So that confusion when the man go they get now for inside that room, now go you dey hear ta ta ta. Him go they wonder wetin dey make Amaka dey kill her hair. The guy go come dey confused. Iyereke confusion. Ta ta ta. Oh, now today I understand the song. Oh my god.
Yeah, I be not talk reach there. Oh. You don't talk past there.
Oh, now wetin I come out to call laugh. Oh, say I don't understand that song today. Mama Dorothy talk to us.
Okay, don't you go talk.
Now today I understand this song.
Ah,
Good evening, host.
we know Mama, I greet you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody.
You're welcome, ma.
The day where you go dey rush, this topic, for not even talk am the day wey you dey rush. Because as you just dey talk, I be like say you dey in the spirit, more dey come, you dey lecture them well. No understand.
Yes.
Wetin you talk, sha, make dem lis ten na very good thing na you talk about. You understand? Some men dem no go learn o. Welcome. So some no go learn, dem go still dey do gree. So life dey okay if you get the right partner with you.
Yes.
But if you no get the right one, na all those ones na you dey talk to. So thank God say dey use your own story take dey rub all the men. You dey tell the one wey say the one wey no dey behave well. How many no dey behave well? Make dem dey behave well now, because for real old age dey come. So no dey think am o. When e don reach their hand, when e don reach where dem dey, na that time dem go come dey shout, dey cry, na village o, villagers dey follow dem o, na winch o, na wizard o. No be winch, no be wizard, na your bad heart na dey deal with you now. Thank you very much, host. You do well, you try, and God go give you more wisdom, more grace to still take dey lecture everybody, make everybody dey know wetin dey. Because some people really they no wan learn. They don make up their mind say na evil they wan dey do. Na that evil they go really dey get. But those one wey make up their mind say na good thing they wan dey do, na that good thing they will still dey get. You understand? So who be their host if we say make we even dey talk? All those ones say dey talk anyhow. Sometimes they find one person for their platform, they no dey see. Before you talk finish, people go line up, they wan climb up. Because everybody knows say wetin you dey talk, e dey meaningful, e dey reasonable. People dey learn. So we dey look all of them, make we dey wait, make the time wey they go come take know wetin you dey talk. Say if to say they know, therefore treat people right. Better people wey dey their life in the beginning, therefore treat them right. That time e don too late. Man, e go late o. Una no dey hear, una no lis ten now. Go too late. Nothing like you love your wife, you dey with your children, your own blood. They will still dey beg una for una to do the right thing for una own blood. Wetin dey do una sef? Better man, they no beg am say do good to your children, do good to your own self. Even Bible even talk, e say if men can even give, if men go fit give you good, that's no fit give person stone or something like that. E dey for Matthew. I don't forget that, but e dey Matthew. So they will be begging you people say make una take care of una wife and children. E get wetin dey worry una. Una take care of una wife and children, una own, your blood, your own flesh and blood. Men dey wey be say they love their children die. If they see the shoe, they ready to buy. If they see anything, they ready to make their family dey okay. But honestly, na poor people, poor men, all those people wey get poor mentality, wey they're not even supposed to come Europe. Now they behave like this. All those low lifestyle. Now they behave anyhow. Now they know they like their children. They must one way or the other not be my pikin first before they can. they do anyhow. Correct men wey know say this is my blood, that they leave access for their pikin, that they take care of their pikin. They are happy getting the joy that their children they eat, they drink milk, they sit down for dining, they eat, they sit down for good coach. When they call home, they like that word, daddy, daddy. And when children they surround them, even when they are friends, everywhere is clean. They like that aroma, they like that lifestyle. You see obote where they grow for village, where they grow for that house, where bed for they do. They don't like better thing. I don't go. Thank you, sir. Star Pat.
Thank you very much, Mother Dorothy. God bless you. Thank you. Star Pat. Because of time. Star Pat, are you with us?
Host, you go repeat this topic.
No, I'm here. No problem. I'm here.
I greet you. Good afternoon.
I'm in greeting our pastor. More than obviously, I believe for a few minutes. I just but I was like, I want thank you very much because this time when they put on, I enjoy this time because if I just close for work, I just call you, they come down, they pay me. Thank you. Sometimes they shift out to my time, until they switch me. Thank you so much. Yeah,
okay,
man,
this time now you like.
Now because the time I just close that time you say they come out. I swear. Exactly, job like say your programmer. The thing just they go and just they see you know by like if I really just they come out. I say okay, no problem. Anyway, I said not be a maka now be a geri. Now be a geri they'll go end up with nothing but they call out be a geri. Come and chop, come and suck me dry. Or be a geri now they'll go end up with last. You understand me? So because to their message, you can't advise them, you can't talk to them. You understand me? So because they feel say they join women now for their own good. How you they talk? You understand me? I don't want platform where they FYP. I see one get one woman way they talk. What did that woman tell they talk that day? I can't go reason her. He say this man, my sister, I say he can't talk to your job. He say now mad that they made you're gonna put fear for women, but he say now woman time they pass, man time not they pass. He say who tell you now man time they pass, not be woman time. He say you don't ever see woman wait there 40 years wait to talk close. He said but you go see my way there 40 years wait bola not the rise again. I could go reason that one. He said those two when they have the person are mad, the woman time the person are lie. He said you don't ever see Toto when he there for 60 years, when white hair come away, they say they chook bola put in all the sweet again. He said you don't ever see her, you don't ever hear her. He said but bola go there for 50 years. They go use 1 hour till they wake up, you know they wake up. Even 40 years, they go they wake up. They go they drink different concoction to make bola stand, you know go great stand. He said you don't ever see Toto wait there for 60 years. Say white hair come up and say the chook bola put say that one is sweet pass. I call if I listen that matter, I bet I couldn't say that true. So you don't ever see I say they say you read the girl say the woman there 60 years say the tea close. As the chuka is not come sweet. He said but for man 40 years. Bola will carry her go down. You go wake up. You don't go green. 50 years they go drink all different things. They visit doctor back and from. Make the thing they get up. Not the green get up. He said which kind of thing be that? It's not brainwash. Men women not the listen. Now mad time they pass not be woman. You understand me so? So that word there, you can't. I can't say yes, not truth. That word it makes sense. So if you see all these people when they on live video, come they use math, they talk rubbish. If you even see their lips go dry. They don't get vitamin for body. Because who get joy with the woman when they with no if you come on live video, they insult another person. If you watch their way, they go dry. They'll go do one kind of hair when they say you not even they bored. You don't even understand person when want the small they small psych. Now they carry those kind of hair when they start they insult women. How you go insult person when you bring in when they give life now when they bring life to this earth.
It be like say never know what you do this man don't cause now. You don't cause problem here already. Wait till you talk yours now. Sister Harvey they ask whether not true. Sister Harvey get husband for us, you know ask the husband.
Not true. I dare you be ambassador. Not true.
I don't want to know whether not true or not, Sister Harvey.
Papa host, I wait, I will call pieces the table. I don't even follow girl of 40.
If somebody use up the ask of girl for us, you call the ask whether not true.
Papa, you know they work. And we now. Yeah, but that pieces today.
go get up.
They say women. You know they my sister. I bet my sister wait. Even before you get up, sister Pat. Before you get up, before you touch her, 2 minutes. You don't come.
What are we saying? The online video.
I want go work.
Who is talking?
I want go work. Would I do well?
At this time, be like say women come in online video, more come they vandalize. Who is talking? Now 1, 2, 3. I be one, boy. Go up. It be like
1, 2, 3, ja.
2, 3, 2, 5. You don't put it for pure water. Sweat.
You know the funniest thing, my sister. Wait, the funniest thing, you know, go over and the clothes. Only Bobby will just suck. You follow touch and 1, 2, 3. You don't come
for the beginning. I just the entire year.
Mama, they don't wait because we the vex. Justice for Pekus.
How many people and Dorothy, Sister Pat, and Sister Dogu at the same time in the bus? Can be find trouble. They say that make find trouble.
They don't come out. They don't come out for
Not true, they talk. Not true.
Mama, they don't bless you. You
many.
You know, go just get the key, go just come out.
Many.
Justice for Pekus. I don't understand.
This topic,
why you go
I don't know how
you go get appearance, then me I no get appearance.
Just they pay me.
I bet anything minister.
I don't know.
When you give me 1 minute, me I round up a beg.
You don't round up, but I don't finish
I
things.
hear yesterday when it was a topic day today.
Bye, but I don't finish. I want to go work.
But I sing me that song I can sing. I want sing make I come down back.
Sing for
His
me,
name is
Mama.
Sister Pat. Table breaker.
You go wait.
Table breaker. His name is Sister Pat. Table. Mona waiting.
I need healing. I need healing.
His name is Sister Pat. Table breaker. Table breaker.
Wait, Brad Bennett.
Oh, Susha, you take on tomorrow. May I dey target to abeg.
By the time, that's a this is Alibaba.
Brad
I
Bennett.
for share for you. I don't remember to share for you, Mama.
This period now, I know they climb up. Because if I not there for the beginning, I don't know what you talk. I know they like to climb up. Today, will pay me. I don't check tire since. So the filter I just come out, now I just
Mama, may I tell you what happened today? I go work last night. I go do 13 hours. I don't start work yesterday again. Now they don't finish. Okay.
I see. I did like yesterday.
Okay, to come back in the morning, so I have to sleep a little bit. Because I
know. I mean myself, I know. I check reach that kind too. I don't see you. I look every 5 minutes I dey check. Every 5 minutes I dey check. Huh?
Yes, sorry, Mama, no verse.
Please just don't carry me. I just say make I check and I say this topic. Huh? I don't know what you
come and carry your sister. So.
I don't know how you take start now. So I don't feel talk anything. The only thing when I hear
sister, what you go talk now? They say na 1, 2, 3 jar.
1, 2, 3 jar. Now I come here say they
Mama, I know what they make her pieces the table. Yeah, just wait, Mama. By the time when you mute, you know say that maybe I want pieces the table finally. And when I know say my matter they had.
We don't get time again, Madam. Pieces the table.
Wait because Papa I must talk my own. We should be not get time again. Justice for Pekus. I don't get.
But just summarize them.
The fire. You understand now? You know, make
my fire maybe through there go know what happen.
We won't go work. Not be best to stop it. You understand? Now me just make example reference to the way they wanted they bring us down. Who they give them life? Now when they bring them come life. Now make me just come add that one say make all women when we say all those boys when we say their lips they dry. When they know they want their bosses for 1 month. When they say they go shit, they don't go even use water clean their nails, then they smell. Come online video opportunity, come they talk to you. You can't go there, you can't feel bad. No, any woman not trying because those men are no level. Because if you check their picture, if you check their background,
one thing when men don't know, the more woman they hold, the more Pekus they dry. The more they dry, go be like saying a veggie because this thing when I want to talk, so when you talk, Mama, not true. He get one woman, na my relative for Nigeria. This woman don't old well. Do you know say a boy will never even reach 40 years? He go there beg a day we don't reach about 80-something years. Say I beg, make it grief for her. Say a day he Pekus don't dry. Well, he say it be like veggie. make e re-virgin am again. Na wetin happen? This one no be say na another person. Now they come carry okpokpo where? Why don foreign you why? You wan come meet me for my own house? So this is where you talk. So when men they talk say woman do this, woman do this. Now man they old for that side.
They don't even let me greet you. I greet you, my brother.
Now man they old for that side, not be woman. You go see some boys now 30 years. You go use and raise. I bet no just leave that side. Now true. Boys,
Razor.
if you not drink concussion,
Papa House ring bell na ring bell. I know they
My bed
like
don't
Papa House
lost.
ring bell.
My bed don't lost.
I'll buy you another one poster.
he go dey drink
bed
he
don
go
lost.
drink all sort of agbo no go work. Whether how they use mouth they condemn women na
Sister
lie.
Rose, abeg, wetin dem dey raise?
You no know cucumber they go razor e no go work.
Go ask President Bola Ahmed Tinubu
You say they use mouth they condemn women. Men dey like that. They fool this abroad. They dey many. They no dey talk wetin they see for body. Na so woman. You no see go mother igbiyan wa gbon. They hear people. I beg you. They go.
But Austin, abeg don reach 40 years for woman for here because they say woman na juicer from 40 years.
Na lie.
Abeg o, host,
Na lie.
later you go come dey do how to cook in old age, how to turn
So
semo. You dey teach the men as if they no dey learn now. So you go dey later you go dey teach the men how to
Any
cook for
man.
old age.
Any man wey go try woman 70 years. If you dey 30 years or 40, go try woman wey don reach 70. If you go gree for you, may you see the difference.
No go break it, dey waste
Woman go dey now a year no meet man, 2 years e no meet man, 3 years. If man go meet that kind of woman, go be like say na now e start. Wetin dem dey talk?
Mama
Go
Rose,
be like say na now that woman start to dey meet man for im life. But which man dey 70 years wey be say e go just raise once, if dem no use am take carry am up? Dey pet am.
Sister Rose.
Carry am go left.
Sister Rose.
So carry am go right.
Sister Rose, I don dey think o. Sister Pat, I don dey think. Abi na to go follow Idede. I don dey think o. Sharp.
Benefit boy go, not be like they dey winner.
Na try dey tell you. If you say dey go try am. If you say
And they
dey
tell you say I don follow man of 40 something. Igbola no
Nigeria
dey
you go
before
see.
you go touch am, if e strong, e don come. Too much of sugar. Una no dey hear. Una come dey talk. More come dey cast ourselves for here. And the Osunde go see the waka dey show himself. Too much, you no even fit. Only Bobby say where you go see. You don't see Bobby where stand with black nipple, your head go shift. You go make beg. Go just come for nothing.
But Austin, I was here from beginning. This was not your topic.
You nothing now.
This was not your topic. How part take
Now the
come?
topic, now what we dey talk? What did you say, brother? I'll see the talk. But everybody just dey come. You never see anything. Nah, brother, I'll see that cast.
Mama Pat,
He not dey stand. We nah. When I call it, why you dey hide down? Benefit boy, why they pay? You all dey stand. No.
I greet everybody. Host, good evening, sir.
Because we say that attack us. You all dey stand.
What you want to leave me for?
Any man wey everybody wey
The man will say 40 years.
any man wey live in well travel.
You not go run. Leave an eye carry
For
yourself
3 years or 4 years or 5 years, may go tell that woman again. If not, that woman not go become virgin. Whether they talk, may go tell that woman. You leave woman travel for 2 years, 3 years. That woman keep himself wait for you. May we take this platform.
People plenty
If na lie talk, may they challenge me. May they challenge me if na lie talk. No, say woman.
Mommy. Salopwa, Iwinikia. Egbe wete.
You know what 4:30? In winner, you ma go di pa.
Make una no host dey go work o. Iwinikia.
It's too much for the men. It's too much for the men. Really, any woman wey stay for 5 years, 6 years, 3 years, e no meet man. If man meet am again, that woman go be like say never even meet man.
Are you talking from experience?
E no dey like that for a man. E no dey. You
Go
know
and tell.
they. I said
Okay.
why?
Eh?
Error.
Hey, Saluba. One auntie say, one auntie say the man dey 40 years, he dey use that to dey push her. Why? So where do I motor her?
You know the
Sweet banana, I dey tell you now, Papa Host know wetin I dey talk. I dey wait. This
Wait
thing no
now,
dey stand.
Host, you know here, he say he date one man wey dey 40 years. He say once he don't get up, later he go dey use am to dey push am. He motor where he dey push car. Na car you dey push.
Naka, the many.
I'm yarning when I mechanic workshop.
Oh, we ain't what raise. Go the razor.
Brother. Never go Harry Wheeler.
Now mechanic workshop na for the work. It be one go. Boss go work because na mechanic workshop na they work the day so.
Even I want ready make I go work. This
People
talk.
leave this TikTok for now. They don't say TikTok.
I want even go work. Me myself.
I have a question.
TikTok for now.
I have a
Boss, you
question.
no go.
But I sweet banana cake. If you like the wrong TikTok, I go download. If you like the wrong one, I go download.
Na the Chinese one. Now the Chinese one, if you want to download, I don't know, say that they don't stay too much.
I have a question for this host.
Me?
How would you put Dorothy, Sister Odogu, Sister Patti?
Even Rosie. Oh,
Like, put all, and they can't put Mama Rose for the same box together. How?
No.
You think? Okay, now see, I sorry, I come when they talk of push and start. I don't know how push and start matter. Now, let's face facts now, because the men who don't like to hear this story. So men, if you don't like and close your ears. What they are saying is fact. A man in his 20s, they hit in peak. As he in his 30s, he's still there in his peak. The thing when he stand, iron rod, no strong reach him. Then a woman never they start her peak. You understand? You understand? So that man can fire on at any time. 20s and 30s. When a man don't they hit in 40s, now push and start, he don't they near. He go give pump.
Mommy share, oh yeah.
The women leader. Where's it? The women leader. Where's it?
I ring bell for Mommy share. Table up pieces. Now we are benefit for your own
A women leader.
They work for prick.
Me think say one come settle the whole team. All of us just
I want settle on now. Wait. When a woman don't they reach her 40s, a woman in her 40s, her canal is different. A woman, I'm telling you, in her 40s, because that is her peak, and this is medical. That is her peak. 40s and 50s, her body is soft, the juiciest and everything before she hits menopause. When she's in perimenopause, her body is soft. It is. If you are a man and you are listening and your wife is in her 40s, you better be giving it to her. Because that is her peak. At that time, the man don't they die down. That's when the woman they peak.
Host, I go talk my own. No, me, I want spread. I want just scatter this table now.
That's when you.
Okay, now sweet banana. Share we want to do work for you. All of us we are ready.
You see. So men, when they don't they hit their 40s, they don't they get enlarged prostate, like erectile dysfunction and all of that. So that time they go do 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Yari.
1, 2, 3,
Host, share. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me see talk my own. So that say we could spread this. We could break this thing.
Mommy share, no sweet banana. Mommy share.
Mommy share don't talk. I'm gonna wait now.
Mommy share. Me, I never talk my own.
You no go talk your own. Go start your own life.
I they try to recover from yesterday from you, Odogu. I'm still trying to...
No, Odogu no go talk. Wait, Mommy share don't talk.
So the moral of the story is to the men. Now let's take it back to seriousness. To the men, will be say they'll get wife. They're not one because they always believe I can always go get a younger woman. You see these men, you were talking about Amaka earlier. You go see, they'll say, I can get a woman at any time. I'll go get younger woman. The time where that younger woman, where they go pick up, don't they hit her peak? You as a man, ED don't hit. 2 pump now you they give. Guess what that Amaka go do? Like host said, Amaka go dey the next room, they collect doggy. On that note, that's the.
On that note, somebody shout hallelujah. Oh,
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Women leader, what's it? Women leader. But the way still there for men, women. Now so it's still there for women. No, Mona still listening. No, not be say the woman don't reach her 40. This one I go put one leg for women's side. I go put one leg for men's side.
Okay.
As a man, Oga, Bini say I set him to an attack. If your skin not full, not pull body. Oga, if you don't know the story behind the woman you go carry, woman where you go carry will be say from 12 o'clock till 5:30, you are still busy. She'll still tell you say, oh, Nana, you don't come. Oga Remy, run away. Oh. If you go carry that type, at the end of the day, no come on this platform, come complain to us. Oh. Oga, from the beginning, just know the one where you defeat handle. Brother, nobody that they give award though. No go play on top, oh. Because ISO go do, now go fund me. Go can't do rose, can't give you. Nobody will carry award for them because hey, Austin the Naka, international security Naka. Okay, no, you know the whole. Hey, I big boy, I don't talk my own. How be you get like? You collect now.
He said that
you must collect now. I'm already whereby I'm Magba. I'm already whereby.
But Super Nakeko, you still know this song, Influence Akaba. Amaka go alu mebe, oguwa nana mebe, oguwa wumwa mebe. Oh, Amaka. That's what you got to do me, Amaka. Okay. Oh. But Austin, is that a chief international Naka?
If these men not treat their wives nice now, they treat them anyhow because they feel like they can always go and get a younger girl. That is time the younger girl go they say harder and deeper, and all you can give is two pumps, 3 pumps before you reach ER. Guess what? This younger one where you go carry, you can't go find James. You could go find Benefit Boy, go find SBC. Maybe they can't help and water her canal. The
Mama, can I ask you a question, please?
Go ahead, yes.
Why it be say that is they quit the tire women?
So, because once women peak, after that, that's it. Once they don't, they hit menopause. If they are not taking extra estrogen and stuff to help them, all their hormones, they become dry. And once they are dry, they not they enjoy, ta. When a woman is so dry, she doesn't enjoy it. So if you don't hit that stage and you are not taking the necessary hormones to help you when you don't hit, because when you get your period, it's very good. Puberty is still good, right? But once you don't, everything becomes dry. The woman not they enjoy, and if the man not know what to do at that time, it becomes very difficult for them, and then she doesn't want that kind of intimacy.
May I feel say maybe if woman not the near my time, now I make it they quit the tire am. Anything love make a aspect.
So Mama Rose, it depends on the man. You see, the man, the woman's body head to toe is magical. A woman's body head to toe is magical. There are points if a man know what to do, there are areas he will touch.
Yeah, the woman will pick.
She will wake up. It doesn't matter. Dry bones will rise again. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
If you go, on
do well. On a good night. God bless you now.
Una do well.